DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a bookcase in the MacKenzie-Childs style. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over a bookcase. The more beat up the bookcase, the better. So find a cheap one and cover up all the flaws with fabric. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.